subscribe to Brit in the Philippines!
Right, before we go to Camaligan Park, we just want to show you this bit. Now, where you can see the blue tarpaulin, that side there was another part of the house. It's just completely blown down. Now, before they put the tarpaulin on, you could have seen, well, you perhaps still see, the house is leaning, it's collapsed.
Yeah. They still repair it.
They're trying to repair it and live in it.
Yeah, because where they go?
I know. This all this was blown down.
They sort it out.
And they've rebuilt it. They had a line on it from here, look, and they must have given up cutting it straight and just thought, you know what, we'll just we'll just put that on. Let's get a bit closer to the house. You can see there's quite a big family who lives in it. Loads of kids. Well, you can see, look, this is all what used to be the side of the house. It's all gone. Totally gone. But you see them laughing, they don't care, do they, Mel?
Yeah, it looks like there's nothing gonna happen.
There's nothing they can do about it, so
Yeah.
they just get on with life here, guys.
That's Philippines.
Yeah, that's the Philippines. Come on then. Now I just shut off, guys, but I've got to show you this. Look at the roosters on the fence. Hey, I can't believe this. Look at this. Look at this. I don't want to frighten them where they might fall. Can you imagine if they fall over the other side and they just, that rope thing's on the legs? Let's have a look at this. Look at it. It's alright. Stay there, son. You're alright. Don't panic. Oh no, you don't want to swim in there. There's too much effluent flows into that. He's getting a bit excited. I best get away. So if they fall over that fence, it'll not be good. Only in the Philippines, guys. Only in the Philippines. Look at it. Still beautiful. And now the water's risen. It's going all the way through Naga as well. It's not been as high as this for quite a while.
Oh, the European, they can eat there.
Oh, Mel's one needed the seafood restaurant.
I did not eat.
She's been filling her face all day. Eating.
Well, what's wrong with that?
So what's wrong with that? Well, you're just about to say you weren't. I was getting worried that we might have another baby on the way. But thankfully, no. Let's go and have a look at the menu again. Just to, guys, if you come to Camaligan, I recommend you come to this restaurant. And especially in this situation, if you can obviously get here, because they're struggling for customers. And look at the prices. The prices are good. We've been here before and videoed before. I just wondered if you, do you know, guys, if you ever come to places like this, please mention where you saw it on a Brit in the Philippines, so they know we've brought them some business. It helps. Oh, I like chop suey as well.
You're gonna treat us here?
Hey?
You're gonna treat us?
Yeah. Anything up to 40 pesos. Well, I've just bought them eggs and the sausage and
Yeah,
stuff.
come here. Let's go. Let's go back. We get first.
We'll come back. We'll come back in a bit. Come on. So there you go, guys. The electric's been off since the typhoon. Are we on our third or fourth day? Where are you? We're on our fourth day with no electricity.
We're in the fifth.
Oh, we're in the fifth. We're in the fifth day. No electricity. We've got no internet. Look, see that post has just gone down, and they've replaced it with a brand new one. Oops. Hello. Oh, that would have, no, of course I don't want to see anybody hurt. Well, that's not good if that moves, is it? So it looks like the electricity might be on and the next day or two here. At least they've got the right gear on, these guys. Heavy boots, steel toe caps by the looks of it. So we've had a lot of activity around the barangays by the electric board to see where the wires is that's come down, because they've got to make sure when they turn the power on there's no hanging wires.
And normally, if there's a typhoon here in the Philippines, they always bring relief, like grocery, like rice, noodles. And as of now, I noticed that there's nothing.
They've not given any relief to anybody.
Because I think the fund of the government's gone.
Your uncle, well, because of the virus, isn't
I
it?
asked my uncle if there's a relief, and he said no.
Yeah, her uncle is in the barangay, the local barangay, and people's been coming to him asking him for help, and he hasn't got the the barangay hasn't got the finances to help them.
Yeah.
It's very sad.
And
What's been happening?
I told you before that there's a senior citizen commit suicide.
Yeah, senior citizen. She was struggling anyway, and then her house got destroyed, and she took her own life because she had nothing to start with. Now she had absolutely nothing, not even a roof over her head. I mean, God.
Lots of some of people I know damage their house. They asking help. Oh, there's a melty.
Oh, there's a melty. So that said, if you want to become one of our patrons, guys, that'd be great. If you want to become a member on YouTube, if you become a patron, you get to see all our videos first, same if you're a member. And if you're a member, you get this little bit of emoji that gets better and better the longer you're a member. It's not a lot, guys, you're not getting a lot from it, but you know you're supporting the channel.
I told to Chris that on my, I know, was it called personal.
I don't know, babe. Spit it out. On your personal
money that we can give a few relief.
Yeah.
But we're thinking that it's not gonna be enough if I give it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, we've been given some relief.
Yeah.
And it's not been a lot, and we do anyway, but it can't be on camera anymore, and we don't mention it, you know, patting ourselves on the back, but we do it. But unfortunately, Mel wanted to do something very nice, very generous, and I said no, because it wouldn't impact enough people.
Yeah.
For it to be worth doing.
If we give, make sure we're gonna give
to a lot of people. Yeah.
I mean all.
Yeah, she wanted to give. No, I'm not saying. We wanted to do something nice, and we just couldn't do it. So, but that's life. That's how things are. I can hear another generator or two. So these have been without power like we have and still are. We still have no power in Naga. I think there's a certain part of Naga's got power, and it just came on yesterday. But all the outlying places like this are relying on generators if they can afford one, which obviously most can't. See, do you know what? It's amazing. We're walking on the side of the road where if we're going to get hit, we'll be hit by something coming towards us. But cars just come on our side and then they pivot us to get out of the road. Can you believe that? But welcome to the Philippines. So we're coming up on her friend's house. Let's see how bad it is. I've not been. And don't forget, guys, there's loads of properties like this. She's just been down about pestering us over and over again to come down and take video. It's here.
There, yeah, there.
Yeah, there.
Her mother-in-law. I don't know where.
Yeah, it is different. Have they boarded it up again? Huh? What did be?
Kasi saan ka lang? Kayo po pala mo. That's the house of their mom. It's gone, right? Kaya kaming daw. Hindi mo may
Alright. She keeps telling me she loves me. Hello. This is all different. There was a roof on there. There isn't anymore. They've just got blue tarpaulin over it. Now, a daughter there, Kiana, was living with her grandma, and her grandma has a nice, well, nicest house with a roof over her head, and she's gone and brought her here to have to live in a school, which I just don't understand. So look at this. This was all. Oh my God! Do that again. I missed it. This was all covered in. The roof was on, and it was, you know, waterproof and the rest of it.
Stupid.
And it ain't no more. You can see there's nothing here protecting them from the elements, and they have no means whatsoever. They have no means whatsoever to do anything to it. It's just unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. You see me, and this is only me, I just wouldn't bother. I really wouldn't bother. You can see, well, you can't see, but I'm telling you, the wood's rotten. It's all termites, it's all hollow. It all needs brand new frame and roof, and you know. And she come to you know, well, she's been a few times saying, look, can Kuya get me some materials? And it's like, no.
Look, Yana, when she's a little, look, she's cute. On the top. And then Kennedy.
She looks, is that
Kennedy and Kennedy.
oh,
Kennedy, and then that one is Kiana.
all right. I was going to say that looks like Kiana. I thought you meant it was the mum.
Kiana.
So that's it from Kamaligan. Initially they slept in the church, guys, but now they're sleeping in the school. I don't even know. I mean, one of them, or both the mum and dad, must have to stay here for so the belongings don't get stolen, because if they all leave, I'm guessing, you know, they're going to get stolen. But
before they stay there, before Typhoon,
so where's the school you stay at now?
There we go there.
Just down there. Let's have a look at the school, eh? I was going to watch your back. Oh, just get run over, it's alright. Do you see how they don't look here? They don't. God, it's crazy. Do you know, I get so stressed. Both my kids and the babies, I know the babies, but I'm trying to learn them road sense, and especially here, because you're going to get knocked over, because
They're not look.
it's not like, you know, when we're, and I'm not saying there's not lots of accidents in the West, of course there is, but if you're a good driver and you're like a professional lorry driver, truck driver, you're looking miles down the road, you're looking at everything that's going off. So there we go, they're sleeping in here, look. This is this the church or the school?
School.
Oh, this is behind the church though, isn't it?
Yeah, the chapel behind.
Yeah. So this is where they're sleeping at night, guys.
They so say they have no aircon.
Yeah. Can you use the aircon?
Yeah.
Oh, of course there's no power. Can you use the aircon? Duh. So, hello, can I help you? Hey, what's your problem? So there you go. So we'll leave it there, guys. So
Yeah.
we've shown you quite a bit, and Mel's busting to go and get some food, aren't you?
Just walk lang, right? Going from our house going here.
Yeah.
Exercise.
Yeah, they didn't want to though. They wanted to get the jeepney. Filipinos don't like to walk anywhere, do they? So it's over to you then. That's her daughter, Kiana, and she's beautiful, her daughter. So it's over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Oh, there's a free there.
There's free. There's free. Oh, there's free. There's free. We got free. You see, we're just about to go and we've got free drinks. We got free drinks. Quick. Huh?
It came from the one who put on the grave. Because that's the Philippines. After they dead bring to the cemetery, after that they're gonna give.
Oh, they put on the grave and they hand them out. Oh, very good. Oh, you got some drink. Cool. Mel, motorbike behind you. Let's see. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? You see, community here. What's the not to like about the Philippines? Do you have this in the West?
Yeah. No.
No, you don't. You don't have this. It's only in the Philippines. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's amazing. It's amazing. Well, get one of them, Mel. I'd rather have one of them than a Coke. Shall I get the Coke back? Alright. I want that. What about the thingy? Straw. Thank you. There you go, look. Isn't that lovely? So, from Camaligan, Bicol, Camarines Sur in the Philippines, guys. See you on the next video.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.